Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you are doing good. This leaf is not common. I can say you only see it just 1 month for the whole year, just 1 or 2 months for the whole year. So I was so lucky to jam it in the supermarket. I was like, wow. It don't say when I dey find this leaf, so I have to buy it and all that was much. So I decided to do this sauce with it. If you are looking for, especially those people that are from Nigeria, if you are looking for ugu leaf, this is a very good alternative for ugu leaf. No different. Please, if you are new to my channel, like, subscribe and share. Turn off your notification bell in case I upload a new video. You will be the first to be notified. So this is where I was cutting the leaf. You can cut it to your own size. You can cut it big or small. You can slice it to your own size, like I said, then keep it aside. You can also wash it before slicing, or after slicing you can wash. Either way, still prefer, it's still okay. So I was just making use of two fresh pepper. I decided to use this chopper. So you chop your fresh pepper and onions. So this is after chopping the fresh pepper and onions. You also keep this outside. Keep aside. So I'm using groundnut oil on this recipe. You can use palm oil or you can use olive oil. Allow the oil to heat, add a little salt, then add your chopped fresh pepper and onions. Stir fry for just few minutes. Add your plum tomato. I use canned chopped tomatoes. You can make use of fresh tomatoes or blended tomatoes. Any one of your choice is still okay. So stir fry. Found out that one was small, so I decided to use everything. I wanted to use half. I decided to use all. That was why you see me cutting the remaining parts to it. Stir fry to remove that sour taste a little. Don't over fry you. A few minutes. Add your vegetable seasoning powder. You can make use of seasoning cube. Add your curry. Add your thyme. And add your grounded crayfish. I only use 2 spices. You can make use of any spice of your choice because I want this dish to be more taste more natural. Okay, don't be spicy. We chop food all the time. I really wanted to get that original taste of the leaf as such. Cavolo Nero is black cabbage if you translate it in English language. Keep aside a little to use later. So this is my leaf. Time to add to your sauce. Combine very well. You don't need water on this vegetable, okay? So you don't need water on this recipe because no be soup, na vegetable that we dey cook. Please, if you have not subscribed and you have watched to this place, please subscribe, like and comment. Share my video out, guys, please. So I'm adding the remaining sauce. And you can also eat this with anything of your choice: rice, yam, semo, anything. You can even eat it like this. So I make use of egg. Actually, I boil 4 egg, but my daughter eats 1 egg. So she was still trying to eat another one, but I said no. Mommy have to cook with this egg. You have to try this delicious Cavolo Nero vegetable. Honestly, the taste is out of this world. It's so delicious and yummy. See how beautiful it comes out. So see, this is my white rice. I'm eating mine with white rice. Like I said, you can eat yours with yam, plantain, semo, anything of your choice, or you can even eat it like that. I wish I can store this leaf in the fridge or freezer or fridge. I'll just buy plenty. But I won't store it. I don't think you can store it. So I'm garnishing my rice with egg. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about this recipe and about this Cavolo Nero, which is black cabbage. Yum! Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye. Stay tuned and stay blessed.